from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds.